KLTO stock analysis and KLTO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with Klotho Neurosciences, already at $1.13. Honestly, I was kind of expecting some sort of a pump, therefore that's why I kind of had the supply zone already marked up. The crazy part about this, it would not make me immediately want to buy this, right? With this in mind, only like I would only care about certain things like this if I see breaks above 148 or there's some crazy catalyst, and currently with KLTO there is neither, meaning that if there is a double break, I'm willing to take it further down. That's how KLTO is going to look like. Boom. So in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. And that's all I kind of have to say. I do have previous receipts with KLTO, but I'm just still ultimately going to stick to my process and edge that I've tested for 42,000 videos. So if you want to learn the resources and all that, click the first link in the description. It's risk-free. Literally 1,200 people have gotten it.